Children, today in our computer class, which topic we are going to discuss, that is storage device. So in this chapter we already discussed about hardware, software, input devices, output devices, and now we will discuss about storage devices. Input devices, like the devices mouse, keyboard, microphone, trackball, then scanner, and output devices, they are like monitor, printer, speaker, etc, etc. So what is that storage device? Storage means the term storage. Storage means that we keep our data, or we keep any document, any file for safely. Okay, means we can use for further times. That's why we keep it safely into the storage devices. Storage devices are like hard disk, CD, DVD, then pen drives, etc, etc. So how the storage device works? At first you think that when we are going that a particular process, means first of all we have to give some instruction, some data through our input devices. Means that with the help of input devices like mouse, keyboard, we give some instruction or we give some data into the computer system, and after processing, when we get the result, when we get the output, we can see on the screen of monitor, or we can take the printout copy, or we can hear the sounds, the music, right? So then if it is not happen only once, means if you made something and once you have seen, after that it will remove, no, it will not happen. It can be stored. Suppose I am telling about your mobile devices. Okay, so every day, means when your class is going, teachers are giving your study material, okay, and you are getting all the information, all the study materials for every subjects. If there will be no storage capacity, then once you have seen all the things, then it will be deleted. But it's not happen, never it's happen. You can save for further use, or you can store in your mobile. If you have, means in your mobile, if there will be no storage capacity, then how it will be saved? Not possible. So suppose I am giving, means I am sending that videos, and you seen at first, means that first time you have seen, and you keep it safely into your storage capacity. There will be the storage capacity, that particular area you keep all the files safely, and whenever you think that you want to see those files, you can see. So storage devices are that particular devices, those are stored all the things, means all the data, instructions, files, documents, everything they store safely for further purpose. Okay, now I am going to tell about some storage devices. The common and compulsory storage device is hard disk. You can see hard disk inside the CPU box, means it's inbuilt. When computer system is assembled, it is placed that time into the CPU box. And the other storage devices are like CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. Means they are not inbuilt. CD and DVD both are looks like similar, means the circular device, that circle device, like a plate. So CD and DVD, both storage devices, how it's work, when we insert into the DVD player or CD player or DVD drive, CD drive, then only it works. Okay, and pen drive works through the USB port. USB port, that means common example, the charger port is there in your mobile phone. Same thing like USB port is looks like same. So we can insert, means we can insert that pen drive into the USB port, then it can be going, means then it can runs, and we can transfer the data from one computer to another computer. So that's all about the storage devices.